Hello viewers, this is Ahmed, CEO of Linguistic Academy, and once again today I am here in front of you. And the reason for making this video, actually I would like to inform you some important information regarding the listening module, because many of you have planned for achieving 18 listening, especially when you are trying for immigration purpose, because you need CLB 9, I mean 8777, and at that sense in listening you only need band score 8. And many of you really are trying to know how you can secure your band score in listening. So first of all, what I would suggest to you, you have to understand first how this test will be taken. So basically, if you sit for academic IELTS or if you sit for the general training, the listening format is same, where 4 different sections, and you have 30 minutes for listening the audio, and 10 minutes will be given you for transferring your answer. But the question arises, sir, we know the format, but how we can attempt the test? First of all, what I would say that your concentration will play an important role at the time of listening. Yes, and when the recording starts, you have to follow certain tips which I'm going to give you now. First of all, as I said, when the recording starts, you have to make assumption. Yes, assumption. It is relating to speakers and the topic. First of all, who is the speaker, where are they, and what is their relation? This is the first important assumption at the time of listening the audio when it starts. And then you have the assumption relating to topic. What is the topic actually, and what is already done? As you know that always, for example, one answer is already done all the time in every booklet. And next, the factor you have, what will happen next, and then your process will be started. Then the instruction will be given you that now you have time to look at question from 1 to 5 or 1 to 6, something like this. So your concentration will play an important role. Then you have to attempt the test. And finally, after completing the test, you need to check the answer. And for example, if you get 28 out of 40, then you have already confusion, or you have already done some mistakes regarding the rest of the 12 questions which you could not make correct. Then you have to do, you go to the tab script, turn on recording, listen it again, and when you listen it again and you go through with the tab script along with audio, so you have to be careful about the mistakes what you did. Basically, most of the learners they frequently make mistakes regarding spelling problem. They have the singular plural problem. Even they have the paraphrase understanding very poor, and at last they have the problem in the pronunciation, I mean the accent of English native speakers. So find out these errors and keep on practicing. And most important fact, what I would suggest you to secure your band score 8 in listening, that do not leave the test until you secure 40 out of 40. So in such a way, if you keep on practicing yourself, you will achieve band score in listening. Thank you very much for watching me. And if you want to know more about IELTS or spoken English course, you are cordially invited at Linguistic Academy. Thank you very much for watching me.